Hello, Board. My name is Tami Rossman from West Bradford. Before I start my speech, I was just going to say I also work in the healthcare field, and I've actually seen the opposite. There are treatments, but that's not my speech, but just put that out there. I was able to attend the Senate hearing in Harrisburg on Friday. The senator spoke with the Department of Health and the Department of Education, for which I sent the links in an email to you guys. Here are some important points. Schools will not lose any funding if they choose not to follow the CDC, PA Department of Health, etc. Emergency relief funding was only tied to completing the health and safety procedure, not hinged on what is written. It is recommended to follow the CDC, but the CDC is only recommending masks. There is no state mandate, and there cannot be, as we are not under emergency orders. It is up to the school to decide, but really only can suggest, not mandate. Schools are open to litigation if schools do mandate. Mandates are not law. You have no legal authority. Another point that they made, school buses are not public transportation and therefore do not follow under the transportation mask mandate by the CDC, US Code 5302. It was shocking that the acting secretary for the Department of Health, Allison Beam, spoke on the use of PCR tests. CDC has been saying they're not accurate. It was also sad Secretary Beam responded that there are no studies showing that masks are harmful, yet Senator referred to a large 25,000 children study done in Germany. And here's a piece of the study. Impairment caused by wearing masks, irritability 60%, headaches 53%, difficult concentration 50%, so on and so forth. I've sent you also another 60 links about resources on problems with masks, in case the senators wasn't enough. The senator went on to say the number of COVID deaths were similar to flu season, stating we did not have such heavy-handed rules that took away parents' and children's rights. I would ask you to take a harder look at science. The German study seems as if actual effects of wearing masks so long is more severe on the kids than the perceived health it has to them, unquote. Senator also shared the Fair Health did a study on the medical billing claims for a whole year, increased self-harm by 333%. Now that's facts, those are medical claims. Increased anxiety, 94%. Depression, 96%. Is the health department who we're listening to for health advice? They're only talking about tests, vaccines, masks, funding to help schools with all these preventions. What about safety? What about programs for health, nutrition, exercise?
Thank you, Ms. Rossman.